summer's ice and cold down Nicollet Avenue. A city of flame fought fire and ice neath an occupier's boots. King Trump's private army from the DHS, guns belted to their coats, came to Minneapolis to enforce the law, or so their story goes. In smoke and rubber bullets, in the dawn's early light, citizens stood for justice, their voices ringing through the night. And there were bloody footprints where mercy should have stood. And two dead left to die on snow-filled streets. Now it's pretty and make good. Minneapolis, I hear your voice singing through the bloody mist. Take our stand for this land and the stranger in our midst. Here in our home they killed in Rome in the winter of 26. We'll remember the names of those who died on the streets of Minneapolis. Trump's full of thugs, beat up on his face and his chest. And we heard the gunshots in Alex Pretty in the snow dead. Their claim is self-defense, sir. Just don't believe your eyes. It's our blood and bones and these whistles and phones against Miller and Noam's dirty lies. Minneapolis, I hear your voice crying through the bloody mist. We'll remember the names of those who died on the streets of Minneapolis. Now they say they're here to uphold the law, but they trample on our rights. If your skin is black or brown, my friend, you can be questioned or deported on sight.